Hey guys, quick video. It's just an update on the boots that I posted this weekend. It's the Brooks booties along with the Charlie boots. And the reason I wanted to make the video is because I said that I was going to remove the leather part that was in the back by the stud because I didn't really like it. It didn't really go with my style, and to be honest, it just felt like it was just a piece of cardboard there. Like, what was the purpose of it? I didn't get it, so I just went ahead and removed it because I didn't really like it. However, I love the rest of the boot. Where they removed the leather flap was at the Houston Shoe Hospital. That's where I actually took the boots, got a quote, and each pair of boots cost me at least like $45. So I paid no more than $100 to get that leather removed. And the reason I didn't cut it myself is because, for one, I didn't want to damage the leather. Two, I didn't want my hand going too far out because it is a pretty thick piece of leather that was there. I didn't want the scissors to go way too far and then maybe me puncture the entire boot or make a hole or ruin the suede, whatever it is. I just didn't want to do that. I was afraid that I would ruin the boot, and I had already paid significant amount for them, even at the cost that I got them, because they were 60% off on their website. So I got them on discount, but still. So this is what it looks like without the leather back here, and it's so much prettier. I mean, I just love it. Like, I'm so in love with these boots now that leather thing is not here. And the size of the heel is perfect. They're comfortable. They're true to size. I'm usually a 7.5 medium, and these are perfect. I actually have a little bit of room. If I wear some socks, it fits me just right. It's not too tight. Had I gone half a size up, maybe it would have been too loose, and maybe I would have had too much room over here. So I just went ahead and went with true to size. I read some of the reviews. I actually called the website and asked them if it was true to size, and even though I called and they said that it was true to size, I still wasn't sure because it was final sale and I didn't want to spend the money and then, you know, get these boots and then they were too small or too big. So I wanted them to be perfect. So I went down to the Galleria here in Houston and I said, I need to try your boots on. They had them on display. They were still on sale, and I tried a 7 and it was too tight. So they didn't have a 7.5, but they said that they would let me try an 8. But I was like, I didn't even have to try the 8 because I knew the 7 was a little tight, but my foot had barely went in, so the 7.5 was going to be perfect. I just knew it. The other one would have been a little bit too big, and the fact that I had already owned a pair of thigh-high boots from Stuart Weitzman that were 7.5 kind of confirmed these other two boots were true to size for me. So I went ahead and just purchased them. As soon as I walked out that store in the Galleria, I went ahead and just bought the boots on my phone when I left to get the perfect deal. And then when they arrived, I went ahead and I took them to the Houston Shoe Hospital, and they quoted me, and they went ahead and removed it. They did an excellent job with the stitching. They stitched it back up. They didn't even ruin the leather. They didn't even ruin the suede. The stud is still here. I love these boots more than when I first got them, just because the leather brown flap is not there no more. So it's just beautiful. Now let's talk about the Charlie boot. Those were the Brook booties. This is the Charlie boot, and it is the same, literally the same height as the other boot, same material, and I did the same thing to these. I took off the leather in the back, and they did such a good job. They didn't ruin it or anything. They really treat your shoes with care there. At least in my experience, all the shoes that I've taken to them, they've either repaired them or they've done an excellent job of removing something I didn't like on the shoe, or they even like took down some of the heel on some of my other shoes, fixed some of the tip on my pointy toe boots, or even my pointy toe heels. So they're very good, a very good shoe repair shop. And this is what I need to back up a little bit so you guys can see. This is how it looks, and I will be showing you guys later how they would look in some other type of like outfits, because in the video I only had a dress with it, but you guys, you could wear these with jeans, shorts, skirts. I mean, you name it, you could probably put it on there. You could wear these boots all winter, maybe up to spring if it's not too hot and humid. Like here in Houston, it's kind of humid, so I might not be wearing them boots here in Houston, but I'm definitely wearing the ankle ones, and I can wear these all year long because they're not too high and I won't be too hot if it's in the summer or in the spring, or sometime in the fall. When the fall, you might as well just start wearing boots. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys how it looks, because just in case you guys were considering purchasing these while they're on sale and while supplies last on their website, go ahead and do it, because you guys will not be disappointed. They're beautiful, they're well made, and the price right now, it's perfect. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer them as best as I can, as quickly as I can. And that's all for now. You guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be making some more videos. Have a blessed day, and I love y'all.